To integrate Google Drive with Classic Editor, you need to have Classic Editor plugin installed and activated. Navigate to Google Drive, Settings, Integrations, enable Classic Editor, save changes. Now you will discover a Google Drive button while editing a page or post. Click on the Google Drive button. A new pop-up window will open, where you can create a file browser module by using File Browser module. Create limitless file uploading field by File Uploader module. Display photos in a stunning gallery by Photo Gallery module. Create audio and video file player by Media Player module. Insert file search option by File Search module. Embed documents to any page or post by Embed Documents module. Insert link download option by Insert Download Links module. Insert file view links by Insert View Links module. And insert any pre-built module shortcode by Module Shortcodes. If you want to embed a document, click on the Embed Documents module. Select the documents you want to embed. Click Done. Publish or update the post. Here is what the Embed Documents module output will look like. You can also insert pre-built modules by using Module Shortcodes. Click Module Shortcodes, select any previously created shortcode module, click Done, publish or update the post. Here's what the module will look like.